Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike here of your Delmarva Forecast here on November the 16th, and it is a nice day out on Delmarva, nice and warm, barely any clouds in the sky as you can see here from our current satellite. A little fun fact for you here off in Virginia here, you can see this plume here. That is an active fire that is actually visible on my infrared satellite. Uh, quite quite interesting for those of you who like to look at fun satellite pictures. Now, weather-wise, we're going to be looking at these. We're going to be keeping these clear conditions here throughout the week. I know I've had a chance of rain for tomorrow night for the past couple of days. I have now fully taken off that chance of rain, in part thanks to this high pressure system that will be just keeping the weather looking fairly clear. However, midweek next week, we do have a system rolling through that will begin to enter the region Tuesday night and continue on in through Wednesday, giving us plenty of rain in that time period. It will be done by Thursday. However, as you can see here on our 7-day forecast, looking at nice conditions. We will be cooling down, however, Sunday into Monday down to the mid to low 50s on Monday, but we'll be warming back up to the 60s by Wednesday.